Pickup trucks have evolved quite a bit over the last 20 years. No longer are they dedicated tools of tradesmen or simply haulers of horses. They have created their own luxury segment so decidedly American that you have to tip your hat to whomever at Ford first said, "You know, I think the F-150 needs an interior nicer than a Lincoln." Although we're guessing the green light wasn't illuminated until someone crunched the numbers and said, "And would you look at the margins?" One result is that the newest F-150 isn't just a 10 best trucks and SUVs winner, it's good compared with any vehicle. Granted, towering above other traffic in the caribou-accented leather interior of our King Ranch Edition test model leaves no question as to whether you're in a pickup, but this truck's ride, on 55 series, 20-inch tires, is nothing short of astonishing. Both the Ford and the Ram 1500 deliver amazing ride quality, but the F-150's tuning is even more impressive given our test truck's higher payload capacity, 1,526 pounds versus 1,262 for a recent Ram 1500 we tested. The greater the difference between a truck's empty and fully loaded weight, the firmer and more jarring the unloaded ride usually is. But that isn't the case with the F-150. Attentive damper and spring tuning is evident and appreciated with every pothole, expansion joint, and speed bump traversed. Headlining the changes for 2017 is a new powertrain combo. Replacing the original twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 is a Gen 2 unit of identical displacement and turbocharger count. This V6 now employs port fuel injectors to bolster partial load efficiency while direct fuel injectors do the work under full load. Max power is up by 10 ponies to 375, and peak torque jumps from 420 lb-ft to 470 at 3,500 rpm. That output is routed through a new 10-speed automatic transmission co-developed with General Motors. Together, the new engine and transmission option added $1,000 to the tab for our King Ranch. With 10 gears from which to choose, this powertrain sees minor increases in its EPA ratings, gaining 2 mpg in the city and 1 mpg on the highway over its 2016 counterpart, to 17 and 21 mpg. Unlike some 9-speed transmissions, this 10-speed will hold top gear while cruising on the highway at 65 miles per hour. In our 75 miles per hour, 200-mile highway fuel economy test, this F-150 returned 19 mpg, 2 mpg short of its EPA highway estimate. During its stay with us, it averaged 15 mpg overall, which is about PAR for most of the modern, big-engined half-tons we've tested. In the vast majority of driving scenarios, the gear